Okay, welcome dear students. Here I am coming with the properties of the addition of matrices. In the previous session we have discussed the operation on matrices as addition and subtraction. Now we are going to discuss properties of addition of matrices. So in this we have the first property as commutative property. So what is commutative property is? So commutative means on changing the position of the matrices, if the value does not change, then such property of a matrix is called commutative property, sorry. So suppose you have a matrix A as having entry aij, small aij, with the order m by n, and B is having also having order m by n, then we can add A and B. So A plus B will give you small aij plus small bij. This will also give you the same order as we have already learned. So this you will get B plus A. If you change the position, meaning A will take the position of B and B will take the position of A. If you interchange the position, then you will get B plus A. So B plus A will be Bij plus Aij, that is M cross N. So on doing this, if both the values are equal, meaning if A plus B is equals to B plus A, then we say that addition is commutative. So addition is always commutative, that we know. So A, suppose for example A is a matrix having entry 2 8 1 1 and B is another matrix with entry 1 1 2 3. So A plus B will give you 2 plus 1 3, sorry, this is 7 plus 1 8, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, and B plus A, if you add in the opposite wise, from the backward, if you add 1 plus 2 will be 3, 1 plus 7 will be 8, 2 plus 1 will be 3, and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So A plus B equals to B plus A. So this property of a matrix is called commutative property. So this is very important. So we have to remember this. Commutative is nothing but on changing the position of the matrices, on changing the position, B changes to A changes to B. If their value remains equal, then we call the property to be commutative. Next property is the associative property. So in associative property, we require the minimum of 3 matrices. So we assume that the matrices are capital A, capital B, and capital C. So if association of A plus B, sum of the association of A plus B plus C, the result if you add with the another matrix, third matrix C, then if this will always equals to A plus association of B plus C, then we called addition is associative. And it is very clear that the addition is always associative. If you add the result of two number with the third number, it will always equal to the result of second and third with the first one. So this property always hold in a matrix with operation addition. So addition is associative. Similarly, the identity property, which is a very important property of a matrix. So identity property is a property where the identity of the matrix will remain after operating with some other matrix also. After operating the operation also, if the identity of the given matrix remains same, then we call such property as a identity property. भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यदि तपाईले कुनै एउटा म्याट्रिक्स लिनुभयो अनि अर्को एउटा म्याट्रिक्ससँग चाहिँ अपरेट गरिदिनु भयो. सो अपरेट हामीले सिन्स द प्रपर्टी अपरेसन हामीले एडिसन अपरेसन स्टडी गर्दैछु. सो अपरेसन यहाँ हामी लिन्छु एडिसन प्लस. सो मैले म्याट्रिक्स लिएको ए हो प्लस एनदर म्याट्रिक्ससँग मैले ट्रिट गरिदिए, डिल गरेँ, एड गरिदिए भनेदेखि, यदि मैले ए नै ब्याक पाएँ भनेदेखि चाहिँ म के भन्छु, त्यो म्याट्रिक्स जसले चाहिँ ए ब्याक दियो, आइडेन्टिटी क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक अफ ए लाई त्यतिकै राखिदियो, सो त्यो म्याट्रिक्सलाई चाहिँ म आइडेन्टिटी प्रपर्टी भन्छु. सो व्हाट विल बी द आइडेन्टिटी प्रपर्टी, व्हाट इज दैट आइडेन्टिटी मैट्रिक्स हियर इज अ नल म्याट्रिक्स नम्बरमा पनि हामीले स्टडी गरेको छौँ कुनै पनि नम्बरसँग यदि तपाईले 0 एड गरिदिनु भयो भनेदेखि चाहिँ तपाईले त्यही नम्बर ब्याक पाउनुहुन्छ सपोज 2 + 0 = 2 5 + 0 = 5 -5 + 0 = also -5 त सेम क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक ब्याक पाइन्छ जब तपाईले 0 सँग एड गर्नुहुन्छ सो यहाँ चाहिँ नल म्याट्रिक्स भनेको त्यो म्याट्रिक्स हो जसको प्रत्येक एन्ट्री चाहिँ 0 0 0 0 हुन्छ स्क्वायर म्याट्रिक्स सो जसलाई म जसको सर्ट फर्म जसलाई म केले डिनोट गर्छु भन्दाखेरि लेटर ओ ले डिनोट गर्छु सो ओ इज द सर्ट form of null matrix. So when any matrix A is added with the null matrix O, if you will get the same matrix A, then that O is called the identity matrix. So identity is O with respect to the addition. Now last property is additive inverse. So additive inverse means इन्भर्स अफ द एडिसनको इन्भर्स के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सब्ट्र्याक्सन हुन्छ इफ यु सी द अपोजिट अफ एडिसन एडिटिभ इन्भर्स मिन्स अपोजिट सो एडिसनको इन्भर्स हुन्छ सब्ट्र्याक्सन सो वाट यु विल द बेसिक क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक अफ एडिसन इज द्याट यु चुज एनी म्याट्रिक्स add with its reciprocal add with its not reciprocal add with its negative of the matrix you will get the identity element you have to get back so such characteristic of a matrix is called identity property so if you choose a number 2 and add with the negative of 2 that is -2 you will get identity element 0 this is for the case of number system but in case of matrix suppose if you assume that A be any matrix then A plus minus of A negative of that matrix A is always give you the null matrix O. So this we can do it by applying the concept of scalar multiplication. So this is nothing but when you multiply each entry of matrix given matrix A by -1 then you will get minus of A. So negative of A will give you the additive inverse of the given म्याट्रिक्स सो एडिटिभ इन्भर्सको एउटा इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ जब तपाईले एडिटिभ इन्भर्स चाहिँ दिएको प्यारेन्ट म्याट्रिक्ससँग एड गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईले जहिले पनि नल म्याट्रिक्स द्याट इज आइडेन्टिटी म्याट्रिक्स दिस इज अ आइडेन्टिटी जहिले पनि तपाईले आइडेन्टिटी म्याट्रिक्स चाहिँ ब्याक पाउनुहुन्छ सो यस्तो खालके क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक जब कुनै म्याट्रिक्सले देखाउँदैछ भनेदेखि चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौँ त्यसलाई दिस -A is additive inverse of A or in reciprocate also if you have a -A as a given matrix then +A will be your additive inverse.